How to connect Canva website to Hostinger. Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to connect Canva website to Hostinger. First, head over to Canva and open the website you have created. Once you're satisfied with your design, click the Publish button in the top right corner. Click on Modify next to the URL, then click on Get a new domain. You will see two options. Select Bring your own domain. Click Continue. And now go to Hostinger and copy the domain you purchased. After that, go back to Canva and paste it into the field. Click Continue again, and at this point, Canva will show you the DNS settings you need to add to your domain. Click Review step, then head over to Hostinger. Go to Domains, then click Manage on the domain you want to use. Next, go to the DNS or Name Server section. Before adding new records, it's a good idea to reset your DNS settings to avoid any conflicts. Now, copy the DNS record provided by Canva one by one and add them to your Hostinger DNS. Start with the first A record, copy the host and value from Canva, then go to Hostinger and paste it into the field, then click Add Record. After that, just click Confirm, then move to the next record. If you run into conflicts, for example, if there's already an old record using it, simply delete the old one and add the new one provided by Canva. Lastly, Canva will give you a TXT record for domain verification. Change the type to TXT, copy the name and value Canva provides, and click Add Record. Once you've added all records, head back to Canva. If there are any records or error, check if the records match exactly and fix any conflicts. Now go back to Publish website in Canva, click the Publish settings, then click Unpublish. Then, reselect your custom domain and click Republish website. Take note that it may take a few minutes to a few hours for the website to be live on your custom domain. And that's it. You have now connected your Canva website to your Hostinger. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.